We are here in the picturesque town of Ohakune. Snow-covered mountains, tiny little lodges, and a population of just over 1,000. But things heat up this weekend as Mardi Gras is back after a year off. It has new promoters this year, and that brings with it a whole new bag of tricks. 2 stages, 16 artists, and 7 hours worth of live performances. We are treated to Pendulum as the headliners this year. 5-piece Australian drum and bass electronic rock band are playing as a full band for the first time in New Zealand for 7 years. So this is definitely going to be one not to be missed. I'm going to go have a chat to Ridden by Wolves who've just come off for their sound check, so follow me. I'm here with Ridden by Wolves. Now, each of you, I want you to tell me your name and what you do in the band.
I'm Ollie. I do all the electronic stuff and the percussion.
My name's Mikey and I'm the singer.
My name's Carl and I do drums.
Davey and guitar.
I am Cuban Pete.
What's your real name?
I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the Roomba beat.
He's beach and he plays guitar.
Play the maracas.
Sometimes. Sometimes the maracas, not often. How excited are you guys for tonight?
To be honest, we're pretty fizzing. We've just finished sound check and it was pretty epic.
Is this probably the biggest show you've played in a while?
Yeah, quite a wee while. The biggest show I've ever done, that's for sure.
By a while, you should probably say ever.
I think Neck of the Woods was bigger.
And in terms of musical inspiration, who do you guys draw from? Like, what's a band that you want to be like?
I think our influences are pretty varied, which is why our sound's so weird. And there's so many different elements that we bring in, which is because we just love so much weird shit, to be honest.
Cool, well, I'm excited. I think everyone here is excited. It's going to be pretty awesome. Good luck to you guys.
But you'll never break me. Rather delay. Your teeth are sharp. You can leave me to die. But you'll never break